The dish came, we were sitting on a table, we were sitting together with our friends, and we just began talking about like food, you know, we drink. And he said the story about his grandmother. Every time he went to her house, he smelled the coffee, the taste of, the smell of the Chicory coffee. It's a traditional coffee we used for with these people. We began talking, like saying, wow, I remember, every time I smell it, I remember of her, you know? We said, wow, it's like, it's amazing. Like, he's saying about this emotional feeling, and we started talking together, and like, how can we translate this into a dish? We began like a basic dessert of coffee, like tiramisu, like avocado. We balanced the dish like with the jelly. You know, the coffee is very like bitter, and they complement each other well. Then for textures, we have the sponge and the chocolate soy for the crunch. This is the white chocolate mousse, vanilla sponge, chocolate soy, the mousse, this is the pistachio sponge, tempered chocolate, the Chicory jelly, the vanilla sponge, this is the tempered chocolate to cover the top. So this is the Chicory syrup, and this is coffee, Chicory coffee. It's infused with cloves and star anise and sugar. It's a coffee syrup.